today I'm here with something very special. It is a 2019 Ford Ranger, and this awesome truck is a LARIAT. It also has tons of great different packages like the 501, which has things like the Bang & Olufsen sound system, lots of great safety features, and the technology package, which has adaptive cruise control, navigation, and there's just so much inside of this truck that we just need to dive right in. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for the past 3 years. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this red exterior color, which is called Hot Pepper Red Metallic. So absolutely love that. You have your Ford badging and your Ranger badging in that chrome above your grille. And then you have your headlamps to the sides with fog lamps below. You can also see that front sensing system and those two tow hooks in the front. Then underneath this hood is a 2.3 liter inline 4 EcoBoost engine. So nice and fuel efficient, but still plenty of power for this truck. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 18-inch chrome clad wheels. You have your Ranger LARIAT badging on the side surrounded by chrome, and then your side mirrors are chrome capped with indicator lights. They are power adjustable, and you can see it has blind spot monitoring, so that will alert you if there's a vehicle in your blind spot, so you know if it's safe to pass on the interstate, stuff like that. It's a great safety feature. Then looking down, you have these running boards to help you up in the front and the back seats. So let's take a look inside. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these amazing leather seats. You have that Ranger stamped in the middle, some nice exposed stitching and stuff on the sides, and you have power adjustable settings for both seats, and they are heated, so nice and comfortable. Then looking at your steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings with that adaptive cruise control. You also have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your media controls there on the front. And your media center has tons of great features. You can see your audio right here, so you can have all of your presets and everything. You can also subscribe to Sirius XM if you choose to. You have your climate controls, which are dual, so you can easily adjust the temperature. You can do auto, you can have it set exactly how you like also. Then you have your phone settings, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth to make phone calls with that through your media center. You have your navigation, so this map will take you right to your destination with turn-by-turn directions, and then you have your apps here for anything you want to subscribe to, like Travel Link, and then you have tons of different settings for all of your display, your sound, all of that, but also for stuff like Apple CarPlay, so you can project your smart device onto the screen right here. You also have a backup camera when you are in reverse, so you can see those guidelines to help you out. You can also zoom in down below if you need to see if there's anything in your way. Then down you have your radio and your climate controls and buttons. You also have those heated seat buttons right there. 2 12 volts, 2 USB ports, so everything can be charging. You have a good spot to put those while they are plugged in. You have your stop and go, your sensing system, traction control, 4-wheel drive, and then you have your 2 cup holders here and your center console, which can open up to give you lots of space. And this has that Bang & Olufsen sound system, so it gives you great sound quality. You have tons of speakers on the sides and in the front and just everywhere. It's great. And then you have your garage door openers up top. So let's go take a look at the back seats. Looking in the back, you have room for 3 passengers. You also have a cup holder armrest that you can fold down right there. You have a 110 volt and 2 USB ports, and then you have your sliding rear window that you can open up in the back to let in some fresh air. Also fold these seats up. You have some storage compartments down below just to have a nice handy extra space. Make your way around the back. This is a short bed. You have your 4x4 decal and your EcoBoost badging on the back with your Ford badge, that nice bold Ranger across the tailgate. You have your rear sensing system as well. This also has remote start, so you can start your vehicle from anywhere. And then looking into the bed, you have your spray and bed liner, so it's nice and protected and easy to clean off in the back. So overall, this is a great size Ford truck, has tons of technology inside, gives a really smooth ride when you're driving. And if you want to see this 2019 Ford Ranger or any of our other trucks, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
Where are you guys from? From the Kansas City area, Shawnee.
Montrose, Colorado.
Claremore, Oklahoma.
Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Parkville, Missouri.
I'm from Southern California.
Absolutely, yes.
No question about it.
Already done it.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, I would say for sure.
Yeah, no.
Of course I would. For anyone. I would definitely tell you this is a great experience for anyone to have if you're shopping for a vehicle, any kind of vehicle. WowWoodys is the place to be.
Of course.
Okay, well thank you for taking the time.
Yeah, you're welcome.